Hello everyone. I solved this question today's morning and I uploaded a video on how to solve it. I got it wrong and then someone corrected me, so let's do it together. What's really funny is this was the thumbnail. 99% get this wrong and I get it wrong. So this teaches us mistakes doesn't do anything. They just get you better. They don't disturb your life. They just make you better. Now, this is my previous solution, the wrong solution, and this is the comment. Can you figure out what I did wrong? Pause the video and try to find it out. Now I'll solve the question again. The question says, find the shaded area. And they told you just two information here. They told you OF is equal to 3OA and the area of this small hexagon is 4. And they want us to find the shaded area. Now, what I did before is I said the shaded area is equal to the big area minus the small area, which is correct. And then I said, because OF is equal to 3OA, I said this part, if we assume it's 1, then this part is 3, and the whole thing is 4. This was the mistake here. If OF is 3OA, OF is 3OA, and if this is 1, this is not 3, this is just going to be 2, and the whole thing will be 3, because OF is 3OA. If OA is 1, then OF, all of it, is just 3. So that's the mistakes I did. Now, the correct answer is just this is 3. And that's the only mistake I did, and it led to the wrong answer. That's why you need to always be focused and stop doing silly mistakes. This is a silly mistake. I just read the question wrong. Maybe I didn't focus. I did it quickly. These mistakes makes you lose a lot of marks. Now let's continue solving it. What I will do first, I'll split this small hexagon. I'll take it away. And then I'll focus on the bigger hexagon. Now, they told you the area of this is 4. Then we can find the area of the whole thing. And then we do the big area minus the small area. Now we first need to find the scale factor. If this is 1 and that's 3, the scale factor is going to be 3 divided by 1, which is 3. Because we want to find some area, we will square the scale factor. It's going to be 3 squared, which is 9. And then to find the big area, we'll just multiply the small area by 9. So the big area is 9 times 4, which is 36. And then to find the shaded area, it's just going to be the big area minus the small area. So it's 36 minus 4, which is 32. This is the correct answer. The previous answer was 60. That was totally wrong. And I really thank this guy here. He did an amazing job and he helped us all. Thank you very much. And thank you for following me, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe and like. That's all. Bye.